Hello children. In the previous classes, you have learnt about modern and traditional methods of irrigation and how to protect crops from weeds. Today, in this episode, we are going to learn about the process of harvesting of crops and the post-harvesting processes. Harvesting is the process of cutting and collecting the crops when they are matured. For this purpose, a tool known as sickle is used by farmers. In big farm, a large machine called as harvester is used to cut crops. Now, once crop is harvested and gathered, the grain is separated from the stalk by beating the crops on the ground manually. This process is known as threshing. On a large scale, this work is carried out by big machines called thresher. In big farms, harvesting and threshing can be done with a large machine called combine. Once the grains are separated from the stalk, they have to be separated from husk and chaff. This is done by the process called as winnowing. In this process, mixture of grains with husk and chaff is shaken and then made to drop from a height in the direction of the wind, so that wind blow away the lighter chaff while the heavier grains fall back down. I hope this is clear to you. Thank you.